So for this one, the ratio of the number of men to the number of women in a room is 7-4. So again, let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so how many pieces are left right here? There are 3. So there are 9 more men than women. So if this is 3 and the answer is 9, each of these little pieces, 9 divided by 3, is 3. So each of these pieces is 3. So it says how many people are there in the room? Well, 3 times 7 equals 21, and 3 times 4 equals 12. Add those two up, 33 people. All right, for number 3, a student's club has 60 members. The ratio of the number of boys to girls is 7-5. How many more boys than girls are there in the club? So we know that there's a total of 60. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. We know that 12 units are going to equal 60. So if I divide 12 by 60, it equals 5. Each of these is 5 units. Okay? So how many units are we missing? 2. If each unit is 5, 5, 10. So there are 10 more boys than girls.